Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessing TV Natural Hair. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a powerful hair mask that you can use when your hair is so detangled, almost about to be breaking off or is breaking off already. This hair mask is perfect for you to use. So before we go into the details of this hair mask, if today is your first time coming across my channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscriber. May God bless you. So guys, let's jump into it. The first ingredient we are going to be using on this hair mask is vinegary seed. Vinegary seed help to stop hair fall and regrow your hair faster. And if you are willing to have that thick and long hair, use vinegary seed regularly and you can see the difference that will make your hair to long, thick and stop shedding a lot. So vinegary seed is perfect. So in this particular DIY, I'm using 3 spoons of vinegary seed. Then I just wash them. Then I'm going to be boiling them for 10 minutes. Afterwards, then I take it down to cool off. The next ingredient I'm going to be using is going to be parsley leaf. Parsley leaf is perfect for you to use if you can get it in oil. I will be making a video very soon and you can make a oil of parsley leaf. Use it every day on your natural hair and you can see it will stop your hair from breaking. It will give you that healthy and strong hair that you want. Okay, parsley is also good. It has a numerous of vitamins. It helps reduce dandruff. It helps reduce hair share. It also promotes healthy hair growth and so many more things that is doing. So what I do, I just first of all wash them. Then now I put them into my blender. I'm going to be adding the vinegary seed into it. Inside that, I will blend all together. So my vinegary seed is not going to be containing my blended cup. It's a little bit small for it. So I will blend this and blend that apart. Then I mix all together. Then I'm coming back to show you guys. But first and first, let's blend this first. And when you are blending, make sure you blend it so smoothly. Let it very smooth. Even as that, you are still going to be using any of your cloth or a hose, anything you can use to strain it out to separate it from the one that was not able to blend well. Just exactly what I'm doing right here. So after blending, I just do it this way. You will not like to put it on your head that way. You will not like the result. So this way is the best to avoid all the one that was not able to blend to hang around your hair. Okay, so this particular might stress you a little bit to bring out, but just be patient. Take it out little by little, and guys, this work perfectly. Use this. For the first use, you will notice a big difference on your hair, and when you use this a month, I normally use those anything that I'm using, I use them in a month to get the best result. Use it every week in a month and you will receive the best result. So I just had 2 tablespoons of molidat oil. But you can use any oil of your choice. And if you have grizzling oil, just add 1 spoon to it. Grizzling is perfect. It will make your hair to soft, help your hair to prevent your hair from breakage, and also keep your hair smooth and shining. Okay, so when doing that, mix all together while I show you how I apply them on my hair. So I have already washed my hair here. My hair is very washed and clean. I prefer to use it while my hair is washed because I'm not going to be washing again with shampoo. So that is the reason why I wash my hair first. But if you like, you can wash it and wash again with shampoo. But I'm going to be washing my hair normal, just only with water. Okay, so I will be applying it on my root on my scalp, from the scalp to the root of my hair, to the from the tip. I'm sorry guys. So I'm going to be applying this on my scalp, then I will work my way down to the tip of my hair. After that, I'm going to be using a white tooth comb to detangle my hair. Please guys, be generous while applying it on your hair. When you are applying it, you can see how smoothly soft your hair will feel. You see the way it's detangling my hair? That was so fast and easy. I was surprised guys. My hair was just detangling just like so this hair mask guys is wonderful. Give it a try. Give this hair mask a try. Use it for a month. Use it once in a week. In a month you can notice a big difference, and your hair will flourish and grow. Guys, I'm not joking on this. Please try it. See the way it's just detangling my hair. As you can see, did you see that? Yes guys, please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do and press the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you will be the first to be notified. Why I will be uploading video regularly now, by His grace, not by power. So thank you so much for watching to this time. I really do appreciate. Please don't forget also to press the like button so that I will know that you really do and you like this video. And when you try this, please let me know and come back and let me know how it works on your hair too. So after that, just tie your hair to leave it for 45 minutes, then wash. See you on my next video. Bye.